Now remember, R2, we must be careful not to offend these people. They are very dangerous. Hello? We'd like to speak to your commander, please.
Who are you?
I am C-3PO, Human Cyborg Relationships, and this is my counterpart, R2-D2. We request to see your master.
Alright then.
Could you please tell me where Boba Fett is?
Around the corner, against the wall.
Thank you. Don't worry, R2, we'll be fine. Greetings, Boba Fett.
What do you want?
R2-D2 here has a message for you.
Well, get on with it!
Yes, right away, sir.
Hello, Boba Fett. I send you this message to plead for Lando Calrissian. We are willing to pay much for his release. I warn you, however, that if you do not hand him over, we will use force. We will get back Lando.
What is your reply that we can take back?
We will not give him up. Destroy that ship! Yes, sir! Uh-oh. I will get you for this! Han and Leia, find Lando. Chewie, come help me with the droids. That was too close. Come on, Lando, let's go! I'll work on you more later, R2. Just follow me.
Where am I?
Enough, Chewie, let's go. Let's get out of here before Boba Fett calls in reinforcements.